Hello friends, welcome to another Resolved tutorial video. In this video, I will guide you through the quickest way to open some files encrypted by ransomware viruses. Ransomware is malicious software that can infect your computer through clicking on email attachments, visiting a dangerous website, or downloading non-original software. Millions of people worldwide have been affected by this ransomware. The malware encrypts your private files, such as videos, photos, and documents, and adds a specific extension to the infected files, making them inaccessible. I will show you how to manually recover from this virus using a specific method, although it's unfortunately not applicable to all ransomware files. First, let's open our encrypted file using a hex editor. As I open the file, I notice that there is an image in the initial data, and it seems to be taken with a phone. I assume it's a photo file. Now, going back to the file, I'm removing the added extension, making it a regular JPG file. That's it. Now, when I double-click on the file, it should open. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it. Subscribe to my Resolve channel for more informative and tutorial videos. Thank you very much for watching.